My name is Jonathan Royce. I'm the CEO of BioWorks, and I'm also the Global Director of Sales. So BioWorks, we are a developer and manufacturer of an advanced material called chromatography resin that is used to purify biological drugs. Our goals for this project were really to have a seamless integration of the web shop experience for our customers in our existing website. So we didn't want a situation where customers first learned about the product in one platform and then had to jump into another platform to do their transaction and check out. This project was definitely important from us from a commercial perspective because we have a global sales team, but they're focused on specific markets, and we also know that there are markets today that we are not effectively reaching. We want to be able to reach the global market, and this is a way for us to do it in a cost-effective way and also a very modern way that meets the needs of many modern customers that are entering this market themselves and leaving university environments where they're used to most of their buyer journey happening online. We already were committed to the HubSpot platform, but we did evaluate other solutions other than Shopify for the web shop side of this project, but in the end we decided that the integration opportunities there were too large to look away from. And our choice of iGoMoon was based on previous experience with the company and successful implementation of our new website last year. And also through a dialogue around this project, we realized quite quickly that the team at iGoMoon was able to provide us with a lot of suggestions and ways we could improve the user experience in the web shop that maybe we would have overlooked if we hadn't had a more proactive partner in this project.
So the first entity is, like you can see, HubSpot, and then we did integration with Shopify, and this integration is like whenever a checkout is happening or someone is signing up on their Shopify store, and it is syncing on their HubSpot CRM as well, and if someone is placing an order on their Shopify store, it becomes a deal in the HubSpot CRM, so it's a two-way sync.
At the beginning of this project, we had a part of our website that was called the product section of the website. It was essentially an online catalog where we described our products, but we did not have the option for actually a customer to go through a transaction, and we did not have pricing in that part of the website as well. So the scope of this project was essentially to replace that section of the website, port the content into the Shopify platform, add pricing and the possibility for customers to then register and check out on the site. They should not experience that they've left one platform and gone to another.
And now here comes HubSpot Operations Hub Pro, which is playing an important role in synchronization of the assets. Like it is taking assets which includes header and footer, and the homepage, it is taking assets from the HubSpot server, and then it is updating the assets of the Shopify website.
So when we make an update either in HubSpot or in Shopify, those updates sync over to the other site to maintain this seamless experience for the end user. As it turned out, the team at iGoMoon actually automated a lot of that movement of existing content from the old platform into the new, and literally saved us probably weeks of what we thought was going to be manual labor. So I think that was probably the biggest challenge that never turned out to be a problem, but it was because we had chosen the right partner from the beginning. So the result of the project is now we have a modern functioning web shop on our website. We've also had some customers purchase on the platform that we've had no contact with previously, so they have actually gone through the entire buyer journey on their own, and that's very positive for us that we're able to reach these customers who probably prefer not to talk with a person when they're purchasing, but actually are used to, again, doing that in a digital way. We also have been able to capture a lot of interesting new potential buyer data by enabling the abandoned checkout feature and having automation built around that to come back to customers and remind them when they leave things in the shopping cart. There's also a big internal benefit that's happened for us, which is that we now have a product catalog online that's easy for us to update and doesn't require experts to go in and change things like product descriptions, even product names, pricing. We now have a tool that's very intuitive and easy for our team to use, so that's become a real efficiency gain for us at BioWorks. And not only were we able to scope the project well in the beginning and then actually deliver on time and on budget on that project, but what's been even more helpful from our standpoint with the team at iGoMoon is the suggestions that they've proactively come with on ways to improve the platform, along with potential solutions of how we can implement those improvements. So I think that that's been, for us, really valuable. I mean, we've literally gone from 0 sales online now to a significant number of sales in just the first few months of this project. And we honestly haven't done a huge push externally either to drive customers to the web shop. So I think that there's opportunity for us to expand those sales even further in the future. Absolutely. In fact, I have recommended to some other businesses to use both HubSpot and iGoMoon, especially in an industry like life sciences, where I think in general we tend to be very technical when it comes to our products, but maybe not so tech savvy when it comes to some of these other more commercial related operations. The combination of HubSpot and iGoMoon is a really great sort of external add-on to a team that's in the life sciences sector.